authorize the indent after indent entry. You are having two options to use to authorize the indent. First one is this is visible on the dashboard, pending indent for authorization. You may click on this option. You are able to see number of indents which are pending. It is 2 right now. Or another option is you can click on indent authorization. So you can use any option. I am using this one. See, I got 2 indents which are needed to be authorized. This as well as this. Suppose this is the indent which I am going to authorize, but before that I want to see what are contents, or if I also want to modify certain contents of this indent. So I just double click on this. The whole indent is visible on the screen. I click on edit. I can change anything right here. I can change quantity also if I feel so. I can change I think I can do on this. Yes, if I know that the material is not going to come so early, so I may change the delivery date. I can put any other thing. After doing this, I directly save this. So I can do right from authorization module. I can change, I can view, I can print. So this is the indent visible to me. Now I just click on authorize, or if I want to cancel it, I can cancel here. This item I don't want to buy, I put a remarks not needed, for example. So now the indent is authorized. Done. So this is the indent authorization module. See, now the count has changed to 1 from 2 because I just indent, authorize one indent, and count has increased to 1 pending few authorization. Oh, sorry, no, this will come again. After indent authorization, I have to create a purchase order, but before that there is an indent unauthorization. If I want to unauthorize any indent which I authorized earlier, so I have to click this on the screen, and the screen is available with these options. I can select any option, but yes, I can directly go directly select show authorized indents. So these are 2 indents which are authorized. So if I click on any, for example, I click this, then it will get unauthorized. So this is unauthorization module. Now after unauthorization, it will come again in the authorization part. You can be able to see that there are 2 indents pending for authorization. So these are 2 pending indents. I can authorize further. I can close or open any indent. I can close any indent. Suppose I want to close one. I don't want material to get purchased, right? So I can close directly any indent. These are all open indents which needs to be authorization, but before that I can close them. It's up to me. So suppose I close this. Oh, I need to put comments also. Why I am closing this? Now this one is closed. So these are 3 modules: authorization, unauthorization, and close. I can use this to play with my indents, whether I need to buy material or I want to change any part of that indent, or I want to close or unauthorize this.